Welcome to part 12 of Clash of Engines series. Today we will add the tree system. Here you can see the final result. The tree will shake due to player attack, and golden or rooting fruit will fall randomly. However, golden fruit will always fall first. Go to 2D assets folder and search for 0. Drag the tree trunk to the viewport. Change its Y location to 1. Change its mobility to movable. Change the collision preset to overlap all dynamic. Change the translucency sort priority to 1. From the word outlier, change its name to tree. From the content browser, drag the tree top part to the viewport. Change its Y location to 3 and change its mobility to movable. Change the collision preset to no collision. Change the translucency sort priority to 3. From the word outlier, drag the tree top and attach it to the tree actor. Change the tree actor X and Z scale to 1.25. Add the sphere trigger and adjust its radius to 200. Change its collision preset to custom and make sure collision enabled is set to no physical collision. Make sure that the object type is word dynamic and change the collision response to overlap. Drag the sphere trigger and attach it to the tree actor. Make a copy of rooting fruit and adjust its Y location to 5. The view option, show engine and plugin content. Change rooting fruit material to translucent and lit bright material. Make a copy of golden fruit and adjust its Y location to 4. Copy it a number of times. Position and attach them to the tree. Add the blueprint to the tree actor. Add the box component. Change its X scale to 1.5 and Z to 3. Add the cube component. Change its X location to -14 and Z location to 170. Change its X scale to 3.5 and Z to 2. Change its collision preset to overlap all, and from the rendering section uncheck visible. Go to Event Graph and delete all events. Create a custom event and name it Move Sprite. Add a vector input to it and name it New Location. Drag Move Sprite execution and add the Set Word Location node for the rendering component. Add a get word location node for the rendering component. Add a get word location node for the render component and drag its retain value and add a vector addition node to it. Connect moveSprite new location bin to the vector addition input bin. Connect the vector addition output bin to the set word location new location bin. Group the node and name them moveSprite. Add an onComponent begin overlap event for the box component. Drag the other actor bin and add a cast to attack blueprint. Add a call for moveSprite event to it. Change the moveSprite new location X value to 2. Drag its execution and add a delay node with a duration of 0.05. Duplicate the moveSprite and the delay. Connect the first delay to the second moveSprite. Then change the second moveSprite X location value to -2. Duplicate the moveSprite and the delay, and connect the second delay to the third moveSprite. Duplicate the moveSprite and connect the third delay to the fourth moveSprite. Then change its X location value to 2. Add a new boolean variable and name it reduce resistance. Add a set reduce resistance node. Connect the last moveSprite to it and check it. Group the nodes and name them attack detection and animation. Add a tick event. Connected to component overlap actors node. Add a get word transform for the cube component. Connect its return value to the component transform bin. Connect the cube reference to the component bin. Add a make array node and connect it to the object type bin. Connect the component overlap actor to a branch node. Then connect the branch through bin to a for each loop node. Connect the out actor bin to the for each array bin. Connect the array element bin to an actor hashtag node. Change the tag to enemy and copy it. Go to Rooting Fruit Blueprint and from the Rooting Fruit Self component, from the actor section, add a tag and paste the name enemy. Connect the has tag node retain value to a branch node and connect the loop body bin to the branch execution. Connect the completed bin to a set reduce resistor node. Connect the branch through pin to a rooting fruit cast. Connect the branch false pin to a golden fruit cast. Connect the array element to the object pins of the two casts. Connect the rooting fruit cast to a branch node. Add the get reduced resistor node and connect it to the branch condition. Add a reference to the rooting fruit set for resistor node and connect the branch through pin to it. Add a reference to get for resistor node and add a subtraction node to it. Connect the subtract node to the set for resistance node. Now do the same for the golden fruit. Group all the nodes and name them reduce resistance. Go to level 1 tab and attach the tree top, sphere trigger and golden fruit to the tree blueprint. And test that everything is working. This is the end of this video. In the next part we will add shrine system. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Link to the full version of the game and the asset used is available in the description. Also click on the bell icon to stay updated, and for more game development joy check our sister channel Game Maker in Arabic. Have a nice day. Finally, we would like to thank all our supporters at Patreon.